Hi everyone, you're watching Twin Buds. Today let us make a chimichurri. For this recipe we will need one small bunch of parsley leaves, one handful of mint leaves, quite a teaspoon salt, quite a teaspoon roasted garlic, quite a teaspoon pepper powder, quite a teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic. Now let us finely chop mint leaves and parsley leaves. Now in a bowl add finely chopped parsley and mint leaves. Then add finely chopped garlic. Then add salt. Then add roasted garlic, pepper powder and chili flakes. Mix it well. Now add vinegar and mix it thoroughly. Then add olive oil. And allow it to refrigerate for 1 hour and use it. The sauce is now ready to serve. Now let's use this chimichurri sauce and make a sandwich. Now to a brown bread add cheese. Then add lettuce. Now add chimichurri sauce and spread it a little bit. Then add cucumber. Then add patties, tomatoes, then add a piece of lettuce. Then again add chimichurri sauce. Add cucumber. Add cheese. Then add another slice of bread. Chimichurri sandwich is now ready to serve. Chimichurri sauce and sandwich is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.